तुम तो बड़े स्टार हो गए. Dating a Mowgli only, I'm telling you. Basic civic sense no some Indians don't have. He made this on the plants on the way. So cute. Guys, I'm also becoming Mowgli. It felt like a detoxification in ice cold water. Good morning guys, it is the next day of the concert and today we are going to Vesadong. It is a beautiful waterfall and it's not that much of a hike, it's a 15 to 20 minute walk of sorts according to Reeth, but uska walk और हमारा walk में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क होता है. तो we will go and we will see. Getting ready quickly. अभी I'm also having my morning cup of Impulse. रात की रानी espresso is what we are drinking on this trip because Sharon loves रात की रानी espresso and that's the one coffee I carried was for her रात की रानी and I carried pistachio for me. Nawabi pistachio, but अभी एक ही jar खोला है. Quickly getting ready. Don't want to be late. We slept अच्छे से 7 hours and the concert was so good, you guys. I have to tell you all that the crowd management over here is so good. I never go to concerts in Bombay. I've never attended a concert in India. Actually, this is my first concert in India, and it was genuinely so well managed. Like the crowd management was great. Even when we were exiting, it was not like लोग एक दूसरे पे चढ़ रहे हैं या there's not rickshaws and all are not there over here like Bombay. So यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ऐसा traffic वगैरह का scene नहीं था. Cars were coming, picking people up and going. Cars were coming, picking people up and going. So even while exiting, it was very nicely managed. Even while entry, it was nicely managed. The ticket we paid was 7,000 rupees per person for the fan pit area because we were right in front. You saw my videos. I didn't have to zoom a lot. I was right in front of the artist. We were very close. We were in the fan pit. So it is expensive for the fan pit. The general entry is I think 2,000 or something. But honestly, it was worth it. Like I've never seen an artist perform so closely. So it was an experience in itself. And overall, everything was great. Like I enjoyed Jason Derulo's performance through and through, and Reeth enjoyed the script through and through. It was fun. It was really a lot of fun. Now we're getting ready to go. I would highly recommend if there is any artist that y'all enjoys coming to the festival, then y'all should come like next year. If y'all like any artist, like जब हम book कर रहे थे, Reeth knew कि he loves the script, so he wants to go, and I knew I love Jason Derulo, so I want to come. So we chose according to that. Last year there was Econ and somebody else, and we were not interested, so we didn't come. So it depends on the artist, but the management and all is great. Like it's not like Bombay concerts. Bombay concerts can get really rowdy and very badly managed and sweaty. Over here the weather is great. So इतनी ठंडी थी कि सब साथ में नाच रहे थे तो ठंडी नहीं लग रही थी, गर्मी लग रही थी. So the weather was great. Nobody was sweaty and ganda, you know, like that. My ride and die lipstick, the Renegade from Superstay. I put sunscreen already. मैंने toner भी लगाया था और अभी I'm just going to do my hair एकदम simple way में. But I'm wearing Sharon's cardigan. I didn't pack properly for this trip. Whenever I come to Guwahati, I just randomly put my clothes and I never pack properly because यहाँ पे athleisure ही लगता है. So I'm wearing a sports bra, leggings and this cardigan for the ठंडी. Like a crunchy से बाल थोड़े half and half. Okay. Let's go. भाग कर रहा था रीत. भगा के निकाल दिया रूम से.
मैं क्या बोलूँ तो if you guys can see how I travel, you guys will have pity on me.
Excuse me
क्या कल when I was being laid back with them because they like to travel all chill, मेरे पे कितना चिल्लाया that you don't push, you don't you don't plan, ये वो चिल्ला के फाड़ दिया है कल मुझे. आज when I said कि जल्दी चलो मुझे बोला जा रहा है जल्दी कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो.
Guys, cherry blossom in full bloom मिल गया. ये Sharon, you got your cherry blossom. I was so sad कल Wards Lake में उसको नहीं मिला. Finally she got her blossom. We saw this one big tree on the road and we were like photo. पता नहीं किसकी प्रॉपर्टी, कुछ तो बन रहा है अंदर. ये वॉर्ड्स लेक में कल हमको ऐसे दिख रहे थे. दैट मीन्स इट इज कमिंग. इट्स नॉट सूख गया. सूखने के बाद ब्राउन हो जाते. दिस इज नाइसली इन फुल ब्लूम. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक लुक एट दैट फ्लावर्स, सो प्रिटी. एंड नाउ वी आर एग्जिटिंग दिस प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी जिसकी भी थी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हमको चेरी ब्लॉसम देखने मिल गया. अभी चलो लेट्स गो. फर्स्ट स्टॉप इज कैफे चेरापूंजी, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट कैफेज एंड वेरी गुड फूड. ओनली इन इंडिया गाइस. ट्रैफिक ऑफ द काउ. सैटरडे को क्लोज है कि खुला नहीं है अभी तक? कितने बजे खुलता है? 12 तो बज गए. लास्ट टाइम में तो हम यही टाइम पे आए थे कैफे चेरापूंजी. दैट इज द चेरापूंजी कैफे. मे बी ड्यू टू द फेस्टिवल दे हैव शट इट. Guys, Sharon and I vomited over there at the first location because इतनी acidity हो गई थी because हमने कुछ खाया नहीं था. But now we've eaten, now we feel good. We are going to Ve Sadong now. It's a waterfall and it's got a 30-minute hike. 10-15 minutes Reet has said. But Reet wala 15. Okay, maximum 15 minutes is what he's saying. We ate something. We were very hungry, so we.
बांग्लादेश शेरिन वहाँ से देखो जो नीचे का जो वो प्लेन जो दिख रहा है that's all Bangladesh.
Last time though, Sharon, that trek took us to Bangladesh only. We were literally, my phone went to Bangladesh time, you know. That was such a like wrong location only that trek was. It was a miss. Today the Ve Sadong is very popular and Reet has been there. And even yesterday the script went there. So उनकी movie में भी play किया था Meghalaya tourism ने. They took the script over there. So I'm sure there'll be a lot of crowd there because it's a weekend today. It's Saturday. Ve Sadong के parking area में गाड़ी लगा दी है. And यहाँ से एक दूसरा falls भी दिख रहा है. But उसका पानी अभी सूख गया है. That is because rains are over. Reet said this is massive in rainy season. It's called Dainthilan Falls. Now it's small because rains are over. तो अभी सब पानी सूख रहा है. Last time, if you remember when I came with the boys, that time Janailar was also fully dry. But Ve Sadong will have water. Meghalaya is all about the season you visit. And every month you come, there's something different to see. You can't just generalize कि ये सब देखने को है. तो I'll go in these areas. Sharon को लगा यही ट्रैक है and she's like no.
Arrow is made, no?
मुझे कार नीचे.
अरे उधर गांव भी है ना तो वो लोग नीचे से.
शरण सोच रही है कि मेरी गाड़ी भी मम्मी भी ऐसी है जहाँ पे भी चलना कम कर सकते ना. The trek has started guys. Thank God इस बार पाइप्स नहीं सीढ़ी है. Reet meeting subscribers everywhere. Bye. रीत तुम तो बड़े स्टार हो गए. नॉर्थ ईस्ट का स्टार हो गया बेटा हमारा. कल चेरी ब्लॉसम में हर दूसरा इंसान इसको जानता था. शर्माओ मत.
सारे फॉल्स के लिए ऐसे सीरियस होनी पड़ेगी क्या?
That is my energy too, guys. That is what I ask Reet all the time.
But this is very easy, yeah. I don't
Yeah, this is easy. This is what? This is nothing. इसको हाइक बोल रहे हो तुम. इसके सामने तो फिर क्लैंकन क्या था. तुम क्या मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हो. मैं तुम्हारी हूँ अभी भी. अभी तुमको फैंस मिल गए तो मेरे को मत भूल जाओ. भाव देख तुम्हारे से पहले मैं फेमस थी. भूलना नहीं.
बहुत लोग हैं इधर यार.
हाँ तो अभी कल स्क्रिप्ट आके गया तो आएंगे. अरे मतलब गाड़ियाँ है ना. Otherwise usually where Reet goes nobody goes there. He's used to being the only one there.
Do you want to swim?
No.
No, right?
We didn't get swimming gear today.
Allowed. It's not allowed. Earlier you guys were giving, right?
No swimming is not allowed also here.
अच्छा बनने लग गया है.
Yeah, कल करेंगे. Let's go.
No, it's okay. चलेगा. Thank you.
मैं ले लूँ क्या एक?
हाँ, you guys want ले लो. But नीचे ऐसा चढ़ना ये इसके साथ.
Okay, without it. You want bamboo stick?
I'm here applying lipstick.
Lipstick लगा रही है. Our priorities are अलग. Guys, can hear the waterfall.
So if we go that side, we'll see the view. वो देखो this side.
Oh yeah.
So उस side is the viewpoint. यहाँ से पूरा नीचे तक. We'll go to the viewpoint.
Beautiful. Sharon लड़की बन जा.
नहीं मैं नहीं बनने वाली हूँ.
क्यों लड़की बन जा. Transition. गाइस लड़की बन गई शरण. एकदम ट्रैकर पर्सनालिटी आ गई उसकी. अभी फोटो खींचने के लिए आ जाओ मैम. आपकी मैं फोटो खींच दूँ. आ जाओ. दिस मंकी इज गॉन. Look at how he climbed out of here. मेरे को पता भी नहीं चला. इधर से जंप करके चला गया. Hey monkey, dating a Mowgli only. I'm telling you. ये कंटेंट बनाने के लिए देखो कहाँ चला गया. हमको इधर छोड़ के बम्बू के पीछे. Look at this Mowgli. Look at him. Where you jumped and went from? Why you didn't take us?
You can come. वहाँ से पूरा नीचे वाला पुल भी दिखता है. पूरा नीचे वाला भी दिखता है. 3 layer. You see it perfectly.
चलो let's go. I'll also come.
उधर से उधर.
किधर से? आओ सेकंड वाला. What? इधर से क्यों नहीं आओ? इधर ये इजी है ना.
धीरे आया. Watch your step very close. इस साइड से नहीं, इस साइड से चलो. यहाँ से आप पे जंप थोड़ा सा.
मेरठ.
New viewpoint that is making up.
Layer यहाँ से दिख. From there you can only see 2 layers.
This view is better.
Yeah.
Guys, उन्होंने बोला है swimming allowed नहीं, but lots of people are swimming, and I mean it is not that deep. It is safe only.
Udhar is very deep.
This is deep, I think, but that is not deep. There are like 1, 2, and then 3 pools, 3 layered waterfall. It literally looks like किसी ने मोटर लगाया ऊपर और पानी एकदम commands दिया है तो पानी ऐसा गिर रहा है. Unbelievably beautiful. You know, before I met Reet, when I met him, I used to think कि क्या waterfall के पीछे भागता है, क्या बेवकूफ इंसान है. Because waterfall में देखने लायक क्या है? But now I've understood मेघालय के waterfall बहुत देखने लायक है. Like they are very unique, all of them. Every time I've come, I've gone to a new waterfall, and they're all so unique. And the beauty here is almost like an Amazonian jungle, so it doesn't feel like India. Like look at the dense forest. And then the color of the water. Look at that color. We don't get this color in India. This is not even color graded.
That's 15 feet. Still you can see the layers of snow.
Yeah.
पानी इतना साफ है.
Because आपको पता है मैं तो color grading करती नहीं हूँ vlog में, तो आप देख सकते हो कितना साफ पानी है. The sun is also shining so perfectly. Guys, now we are going down the steps to the waterfall, and it is pretty doable because they've put this lakda and they give you bamboo sticks also to climb. So it's very very old people friendly because I'm gonna bring my parents here inshallah. Yeah, so nice. The government does a lot over here for these things. अच्छा. हाँ, 100 रुपए का टिकट is for this.
तुम बना के देते हो ये सब.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे उसके लिए बना के देते हैं. Then you complain. पार्किंग का अलग, उसका अलग.
Yeah, this is very convenient.
साफ रखने का अलग.
So clean it is here. 100 rupees is nothing for this. What 100
If
rupees?
they'd be doing this in a foreign country, they'd happily pay. Swimming किया कि नहीं? नहीं. Allowed नहीं है. कपड़ा लेके नहीं आता ना. अच्छा. चलो. Have fun. हो जाए.
What they call you when they meet you? What they? Arey, so cute. It's so cute when Reet meets subscribers. I get so happy.
Look at her.
Look at Sharon. She's reached there.
She's in her.
Oh my God. She's Mowgli part 2. Mowgli female. This literally looks like when we were trekking in Ubud for river rafting. ऐसी दिख रहा था. And तभी रीत बोल रहा था I was like तुमको हर चीज मेघालय लगती है. We can put a leg against it, Sharon. Let's do it. It's ice cold water, ice cold. It's so cold. इधर बिल्कुल धूप नहीं आ रही है ना, बहुत ठंडा पानी. But feels so good. The sun in Meghalaya is like the sun in Europe, no, Sharon? So unfiltered.
Now there are so many comparisons with Europe. Now
earlier
she used to complain about the same thing. You know that whatever Reet sees, he's like northeast man. Look where we are now.
Just because you don't let me go to Europe, now half the time you call me here only. But that's why.
But do you not enjoy your time here?
Because I like you, no?
Acha, so
I like you. So now till I like you, I'll enjoy it.
Acha. So it's only because of me she enjoys it.
Of course, guys. Any other reason, you all know me from before.
Acha, any other reason? She goes to these places like, oh my God, these are so beautiful. Oh my God, the sunsets are so beautiful. Oh my God, the water. Oh my God, the food.
Food is not that good.
Hey,
only Olivia's.
yeah.
Olivia's was amazing.
So this time you will get to taste the
we
best
have
food.
to go to Olivia's.
Yeah,
again,
that's we are going.
Olivia's, so we are going on again. Olivia's is like European standard food. Reet has gone down also there over there. Look at that water falling, guys. Look at that. This is the view. There is a washroom literally in the middle of the hills and it is so clean. I went there and I used it just now. Ladies, gents पूरा अलग अलग करके ये गांव के लोगों ने बनाया है. This sunset point जहाँ literally और कुछ भी नहीं है. And they take 10 rupees to go inside. And there is a set of lady and daughter over there. They pooped and they didn't even flush. And when the boy inside said कि दीदी आपने flush भी नहीं किया, he's like आप 10 रुपया ले रहे हो तो आप flush करो. Like how can you even expect somebody to flush after you? Disgusting.
मत आओ
Yeah, मत आओ. Like 10 रुपया देने तुमको जान पे आ रहा है that you would poop in a washroom. Like look at the little boy. Little boy is serving over there and 10 rupees to take to maintain that place and I used it. It is very clean.
प्राइवेटली बनाया है यार, तुम्हारे पप्पा का नहीं है वो।
They're so disgusting. No, some people really don't deserve to travel.
चाहिए यार ऐसे लोगों को।
ट्रैवल ही नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों को अगर इनको जम नहीं रहा है तो।
एंड उल्टा दे आर लाइक अरे करेंगे ना साफ एंड ऑल, एज इफ नो रिमोर्स। क्या
10 रुपए में he is going to clean your shit out of the washroom. In fact, the washroom is very clean for being in a hill station because I have been to hill stations in the north, like Manali side. If you go ऐसे ही रास्ते पे कहीं पे भी रोक दो, कुछ भी प्रबंध नहीं है for washrooms and all. These washrooms are genuinely clean for ladies, especially to sit and pee. Also, it's so difficult.
Little guys, every time someone goes in and out, वो वाइपर।
हाँ, वो जा के साफ कर रहा है. After every usage, he's cleaning, but not to flush your shit, man. Like flush. Basic civic sense for some Indians don't have, and that is so disgusting. Don't travel if you can't flush after you poop in the washroom.
10 रुपए दिया तो मेरा नौकर हो गया यार, मत आओ यार ऐसे जगह। अपने घर पे बैठो, अपने नौकर को जाके दो ये सब, बोलो। And every time a person goes inside out, वो छोटा बच्चा जाके वाइपर से साफ करके आता है। They have kept it so clean.
What are you saying, Sharon, about such tourists? They don't deserve to travel only.
Yeah, because if you have a basic sense of flushing your shit at home, how much time does it take to do it?
What, matlab you're telling me that you go in your washroom and your knocker comes after you to flush? That's the kind of life you're living? Then please don't travel.
She might not even have knocker. Yeah, overnight.
I swear. Bro, even in Europe and all, they take 2 euros to use a washroom. They're not gonna flush after you.
That is, which makes sense because
They keep it clean. They keep it, take 100 rupees if you want, but keep it clean. You guys, the sunsets in Meghalaya are to die for. Like, the sky literally turns red. This is my best part. Sharon, are you liking it?
love it.
मुंबई तक ऐसे ही लेके जाना पड़ेगा ना मेरे को. For Christmas, this is so nice, guys. See organic pine cone and instead of buying those artificial in Bandra Hill Road, है ना?
Yeah, it's very nice.
This is so pretty. I'll make one bunch only of the pine cone ones. सब 50-50 का है. ये मेरे घर में देख के मेरी माँ बोलेगी मेरे को भी चाहिए. तो एक्स्ट्रा ही लेके जाती हूँ. 2 is enough for 1 गमला, right? Or 3. 3 is too much.
Yeah.
You like this? Just this?
Also very pretty.
See this mushroom? This is so delicious.
Yeah. Even that is good with the golden this thing. That see?
This ना? ये single है क्या? Damn pretty है.
Yeah.
एक ही ले रुक जा. I'll make the bunches. Guys, मेरी Christmas shopping 350 रुपए में हो गई. कितने सारे गुच्छे ना. I just have to take it carefully to Bombay without destroying it. Let's go to a cafe for dinner and end our day. दादा आपका हेयर केयर रूटीन देना पड़ेगा. आपका बाल तो मतलब एकदम झकास. पूरा क्या लगाते हो? कौन सा तेल, शैम्पू? नेचुरल है, कुछ भी नहीं लगाते हो.
इन लोग का बाल इज नेचुरली वेरी स्ट्रेट।
आप तेल भी नहीं लगाते हो? शैम्पू लगाते हो? Those musicians are also playing so nicely. I tipped them 500. I'm going to read my book now.
रीड माई बुक उल्टी आएगा। रीड माई बुक।
ये जगह ना हो गया मेरा सुबह उल्टी करके.
बैठो चुपचाप।
Since there's no romance in my life, I find romance in novels.
2 hours later.
Guys, we are back.
Yeah, we're back to Olivia's. We've had a rough road trip, but we are eating good food now. The food in Olivia's kitchen is to die for. Look at that shrimp, guys. Look at the size of that shrimp. Food is so delicious here.
Many hours later.
Push come. Going to do pali for me. Skyla.
Yeah, Bruno, come inside, mama. Come inside, mama.
Sky. Bruno, ish. Look at her tail. Look at your tail, Sky. Sky, shake hand. Sky, shake hand. Paw. Sky, paw. I didn't meet any other dog. Give paw.
The next day.
Alright guys, this is our last day in Meghalaya and we've come out again to Sohra. It is so beautiful behind and इधर के रास्ते ना बहुत उबड़-खाबड़ है. It's not उबड़-खाबड़, they are good cemented roads but they are like this. And Mumbaikars, we are not used to it. So Sharon and I were feeling ulti throughout, so I was not vlogging. We've eaten a good breakfast in the same place जहाँ हम कल रुके थे. On the way there are some restaurants. वहाँ पे नाश्ता कर लिया and now we are going on a 30-minute trek. I think this is going to be my longest trek in Meghalaya so far. No, actually the pipe trek was long, but that didn't lead anywhere last month when I came. Today we are going to Rongshu. I can't pronounce these names. Reet, what's the name of the falls? Sharon also learned. मेरे से ही नहीं होता. First, can you do the talking in my vlog? Where are we going?
We're going to Rangshokam Falls. You guys must have seen it in my videos as well. It's a heart-shaped natural pool. It's very beautiful. The water, it has white sand, so the water looks like you're in a beach of Philippines or Bali.
Let's go, guys. 30-minute trek, and this is our guide for the day. His name is also Alex, and he's going to come with us, show us the correct road. And I'm wearing Reed's t-shirt because मैंने enough कपड़े नहीं लाए ये trip पे. Usually जब भी मैं गुवाहाटी आती हूँ, I just push anything in my bag and I just come. There's no fashion का कुछ तो point ही नहीं है इधर करके, because eventually you have to remove your clothes and do swimming. तो अंदर मैंने swimming costume पहना है, and I'm wearing Reed's tank and leggings. And Sharon is not going to swim because she's afraid of
She
water.
doesn't know swimming. It's very cold.
So of course Reed and I love swimming, so we'll be. I'm the one who's wearing sleeveless. ये लड़की full sleeves पहन के चली लग रही चली. And ये आदमी ने puffer पहना है. And मैं इधर sleeveless पहन के इतनी ठंडी में चल रही हूँ. Let's go, guys. First trek for Sharon. Proper trek. In Meghalaya.
धूप चलती रहनी चाहिए ऐसी.
हाँ धूप रहेगी ना. पानी में स्विमिंग करते समय धूप रहेगी तो मजा आ जाएगा. Today I removed all my real jewelry. I'm wearing fake. The beauty, we are leaving it behind to enter some tunnel and cave.
Please, you made it. Come on.
He made this on the plants on the way. So cute. Thank you, Alex.
With a single fern, he made it.
Yeah, and everywhere he was plucking new flowers. Reet, you have been replaced. Reet always plucks flowers for me on every trek we go. But today it's a flower round. But not by Reet, but by Alex. Thank you, Alex. This branch is taking me, Reet. It doesn't want me to come. Its branches enwrapped me. I swear.
That's not a branch, that's a...
Is this a sign from God? My signs from God. Guys, I'm also becoming Mowgli. Guys, the water is cold. It's ice cold. You guys, this place is breathtakingly beautiful. So beautiful. Look at the color of those sand and water. And what timing we came. हमारे से पहले लोग थे और हमारे बाद भी लोग आ गए. So luckily we got it all to ourselves. We had so much fun. The water was ice cold. Like it felt like Norway ka plunge, the ice plunge I took. Jokharya was feeling too cold. Came and went away again. And Sharon though did not want to swim in the first place. But I enjoyed myself a lot. Like I genuinely enjoyed myself. It felt like a detoxification in ice cold water. So good. Truly gonna hold this place very close to heart. So beautiful. Look at the color of the water, man. All the different colors. This time both the treks that Reet took us in Meghalaya was a hit. Total hit. Roaming trek stack 5 on 5 rating. मजा आ गया guys. मुझे तो ये सब की आदत भी नहीं है but बहुत मजा आ गया. और अभी we are trekking back. Oh wow, the other view, the other perspective. Looks so cute. This is the other perspective जहाँ से पानी आ रहा है पूरा नदी का. And then बन रहा है waterfall. And then look at that. So different, so unique. The color of the water is unlike anything I've seen before. This is so not okay though. Like ये करने वाले लोगों को सच्ची में फाइन होना चाहिए. Why do people do this? Yeah, but after picnic they can pick up their bottles, right? Yeah. Yeah, don't have manners, don't have civic sense. Like do that picnic but don't throw it like this. What God made versus what humans are making. Nature that God made and dustbin that humans are making. No guys, this is not okay. You can easily carry a backpack. We always carry backpacks. Even we have electrolytes and everything in our backpack. हम फाड़ते हैं, पानी में डालते हैं, फिर sachet वापस बैग में डाल देते हैं. It's not so tough. You can't just leave and litter like this.
Imagine when it's monsoon, this gets filled and then the bottle goes there.
Yeah.
It flows and goes.
Like this is literally like Mexico beauty, man, in Meghalaya. And then why do this?
Can you take a picture from here?
Yeah, come. I'll take your picture. Stand here. You can. Don't fall, okay? Breathe in, breathe out and stay constant. Sharon on top of the world. Guys, is it just me? I'm looking like 2 shades lighter after washing my face with that ice cold water. Like, look at that. The
Water,
yeah.
clean air, something you all don't get in Bombay.
Yeah. Reet is like clean water, clean air we don't get in Bombay. So my skin saaf ho gayi. Like all my pores are declogged. And look at that. Like I've become 2 shades lighter and I'm like, what is happening? This is not the skin tone I came with. Crazy beautiful, crazy beautiful. I'm gonna miss this place. Last hike in Meghalaya successful. No Sharon?
Yes, very much. बहुत मजा आया guys. मैं उतरी नहीं, but
पानी में नहीं उतरी.
the view is too good.
अगर स्विमिंग आता ना तो भी वो आइस कोल्ड वाटर में तो शरण नहीं आने वाली थी.
वो तो है.
मैं ज्यादा सोची ही नहीं.
But the path, everything is very smooth. ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah, it's not a hectic trek. It's a plain trek and then last में थोड़े से rocks है. That's it. It's normal. Bab, you'll have to pull me up. Thank you. You guys, the sun is setting and it is phenomenal. Reet got me these flowers. Every trek we go, he gets me a flower from the wild. Look at that sun setting. All the hills are sun-kissed right now. Ah, true beauty.
all those people are also coming.
Where? All those people? Yeah, those people are also going now for picnic. Can you see them? Hamara timing perfect nikla. There are lots of ways to go to a place. Of course, it's nature. But I mean, I loved the train that we took. It was sirf idhar se we took like thoda niche steps. Otherwise, this is like pura seedha. Sharon is collecting flowers on the way, so she's coming on her own sweet time. अभी बस sunset होने ही वाला है.
Yeah, अभी sunset हो जाएगा ना. It's 4:15.
या अंधेरा ना होने दे. चल मिल गए थे कोई इनफ फूल. हाथ देखो उसका भरा हुआ. Red Riding Hood. Shillong has the cleanest AQI. Today it was 11. That's the cleanest in all of India. So the air we've breathed on this trip has detoxified our lungs, and then we're going to go back to Bombay and fall sick, I'm sure. I hope not, but yeah, Bombay's pollution must be bad right now. Honestly, once in 3 months you need this kind of a holiday to just detox your lungs, your skin. The sky, the hills and the grazing cattle feels like it's out of a novel, like a storybook. Look at that, so beautiful. And the weather, you guys, the climate, so much gratitude in my heart right now. Alhamdulillah, so beautiful. They're going home, guys. Just like us, they are also going home now. Our also Meghalaya trip is over now. We'll also go home like this.
Imagine the time right now. It's 4:45.
Yeah, it's just 4:45. There should be a different time zone over here in the east, huh? I swear. India doesn't have the same time zone all over. Northeast should have a different time zone, like daylight savings like they do in UK.
One eternity later.
We are back for our third and last night at Olivia's. Shamelessly just eating here every night. Dessert mein aaj kuch bhi nahi hai. Desserts are overreach. It's full?
For now, what time do we have our reservation?
Our reservation was at 8. How much time will it take?
There is a lot of time.
The next day.
Morning zoomies with the dogs. We are having Impulse and we are going to take the dogs for a walk with Impulse coffees. Yes! What do y'all want, both of you? What do y'all want? Round and round, round and round you're going. Gone inside again. Sharon is bringing their leash, having some Raat Ki Rani espresso. Last morning in Meghalaya. Sharon is sitting with her morning cup of coffee. मेरे को तो कॉफी छोड़नी पड़ी. They are too much runny. Zoomies. Too much energy they have, बाप रे. मेरा शिज़ू तो बेचारा एक जगह बैठा रहता है. इतना चलेगा भी नहीं. Just keep one on the leash and the other follows. Bye. See you soon, okay? See you soon, mama. See you soon. चलो, let's go.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you so much.
Alright guys. Bye.
Bye.
Close this. Chalo.
Chalo, let's go home. Alright guys, last morning in Meghalaya and we are going to Cherry Bean Cafe. It's Patralekha and Rajkumar Rao's cafe. So we're gonna have a brunch there and then head straight home. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog after we finish eating. So many cherry blossoms
We
on
were
the
3
way.
days early.
Yeah, so many cherry blossoms. Look at that. Crazy.
1 hour later.
गाइस 3 बज रहे हैं, अब तक हमने कुछ नहीं खाया है. मैं सो हंग्री. जैसे आया फ्रेंड, ये दोनों रीत की आइटम्स है, दोनों आया हम टूट पड़े हैं.